So we have been in Florida this weekend visiting some friends, and we found this waterfall, Falling Water State Park. It's supposed to be one of the biggest waterfalls in Florida. So let's go check it out. So we made it to the upper falls. It's right here. It's so tiny, but we'll go down closer and maybe we'll go look at it on eye level. So we've made it down to the waterfall. Super easy little walk, and there is a sign that it says it is the Florida's highest waterfall. And let me show you why it's so high. It goes down, down, down into like a sinkhole. Look at that. It's got just a little bit of water, but it says during high rainy season that it could be very raging. But way down into a sinkhole. Pretty cool little stop. Definitely I wouldn't go too far out of your way to see the waterfall. It was kind of neat to see. However, it was small. It was a little walk. Got out, stretched your legs. Chewy enjoyed his little walk. Now he's like, oh, it's nap time. But if you're on your way to Panama City or around Panama City, this might be a nice place to stop off and stretch your legs. There's little picnic tables. You could have a picnic. It is a state park, so remember it is a $5 fee to park here. But otherwise, it was neat. Did you enjoy it?
It was fine. Got a quarter-mile walk there and back.
Pretty nice. Okay, hope you guys check it out and come see the highest waterfall in Florida.